What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones. Today, we're going to make someone a really good deal here. I have a brand new Inspired Flight IF800 for sale. Actually, it only has 3 flights on it, and we made those flights to make sure everything was working. This, again, is all American made, all American parts, made in the United States, blue list, completely blue list. This has the Grimsey payload sensor on here, so it has thermal, a zoom camera, and RGB. But we also can put a LiDAR camera sensor on here, as well as a Sony photogrammetry mapping camera sensor on here. Inspired Flight is now releasing later this month the RTK system for this. It's called Nav RTK, so you also have that available. This is the remote controller that it comes with, and this is the battery kit that we have. So it has 4 aircraft batteries, as well as 2 chargers in this really nice waterproof case. Also, the aircraft has a waterproof case as well. So, really nice setup here. This is not going to last long. Brand new. The MSRP on here is almost 40 grand. And we will make someone a really good deal. So if you're interested, this is not going to last long. Feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help. Thanks again for watching.